Hello everyone, welcome and let's continue our kanji studies. Today we will be learning next few kanjis related to person, how do we write man, woman, child, these kanjis. So let's go. The first kanji is hito. Hito is person. Other readings are jin or nin. If you remember when we learned nationalities, we have read this kanji as jin. Nihon jin, America jin, Indo jin. Yes, jin or nin. When you're counting the number of people, it's like san nin, yonin, gonin. There, the kanji reads as nin. And when it appears in isolation, you are going to read it as hito for person. So this is the stroke order. Remember, the left stroke is longer in this kanji. Why I am emphasizing on this is, there is one more kanji which is to enter. Hairu. Okay. Hairimas is to enter. And in this kanji, if you see, it is like this. So there the right stroke is longer than the left stroke. These two kanjis, which are like mirror images of each other, but they are completely different in their meanings. So don't get confused. This is hito and that one was hairimas or iriguchi. You can see that kanji near the entrance, okay? Hito is person, hitori, one. This is the kanji of one, right? Ichi. One person is hitori. Three people will be sanin. Then, as I told you, nationalities, Nihonjin. The next one is the kanji for child. Child is ko or she. Kodomo. Kodomo, child. Joshi is female child. This is the kanji of female. Onna. And it also reads as Jo. So, Joshi is female child. There is a kanji of male which reads as Dan. So, Danshi is male child. Joshi, female child. Then Oyako. This Oya is parents. Oya and Ko. Parents and child. Oyako. Choshi is condition. This word is in different context, but there also this kanji is there which reads as she. Now, how will you remember this kanji? Okay. It can be something like if you can visualize a picture of a baby with two hands extended. Okay. And then you can remember this kanji of child. Next one is Onna or Jo. Just now, as I told you, Joshi. In that, the kanji is reading as Jo. And Onna. When it is appearing in isolation, you're going to read it as Onna. Onna is lady, woman. Onna no hito. Onna no hito, woman. Onna no ko, girl. Jose, woman. Similar to this, you have words like otoko no hito, otoko no ko, danse. These are related to males. Kanji symbol, how will you remember this? There are three strokes, 1, 2, and 3. So writing something like English 4 and one more stroke. Okay. This is the way we write 4, right? So something like this and one more stroke is there. Maybe slightly tilted. Okay. That is Onna. Then next one is Otoko. Otoko, Dan or Nan. As I told you these words, Otoko no ko is boy, Danjo is man and woman. So this kanji reading as Dan, this reading as Jo, Danjo, man and woman. Chonan, eldest son. This kanji is of Nagai, long, or it's for elder son. Chonan. And Danse is man. Jose is woman, Danse is man. Now, if you split this kanji into two parts, the upper part is rice field. This is the kanji of rice field. And this kanji is of strength. Reading as chikara. Chikara. The one who uses his strength in the rice field is man. As a mnemonic hint, you can remember the one who works in the rice field, the one who uses his strength in the rice field is man. And the last one for today is this kanji of chikara, power, strength. Chikara, ryoku or riki. Other readings are ryoku or riki. Chikara is power. Sui ryoku. Sui is water. Sui ryoku, water power. Tai ryoku is physical strength. This tai is the kanji of body, karada. So body strength. Tai ryoku, physical strength. So today we have seen hito, then ko or she, jo, onna, dan, nan or otoko, and ryoku, riki or chikara. Please try to read more and more words written in kanjis so that you will be able to recognize these words as sight words. Yes. So when you see the particular word, immediately you should be able to read it rather than going into that thinking of what is the on reading, what is the kun reading. It should be that quick. And that is going to come with more and more reading practice. Okay. So please practice and see you in the next one. Thank you.